In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view and understand your email campaign report in Mailchimp. So first head over to your Mailchimp dashboard. Then next in the left panel, click on campaigns. So here you'll see all sent, scheduled, and draft campaigns. Now find the specific campaign that you want to review and click on the View Report button beside it. This opens up the campaign report page summary of key metrics. Now scroll down to the overview section to see opens, clicks, bounces, and unsubscribers. Open rate shows how many subscribers viewed your email, and clicks reveal which links engaged them the most. Then next, switch to the recipient activity tab. Here you'll see who opened, clicked, or bounced in this email. This helps you understand your audience behavior and improve future campaigns. The email campaigns page gives you all the insights you need to track and optimize your email performance. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!